Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a complete Google Drive tutorial for beginners. If you've ever struggled to organize your files, back up important documents, or collaborate with others online, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google Drive like a pro, what Google Drive does. First, let's talk about what Google Drive actually is. It's Google's free cloud storage service that lets you store PDFs, images, videos, Word docs, and much more safely online. Your files automatically sync across devices, which means no more worrying about losing that important document. Every account comes with 15 gigabytes of free storage, and you can upgrade all the way up to 2 terabytes if needed. Getting started is simple. Just visit google.com/drive and sign in with your Google account. This could be your Gmail or YouTube account. Don't have one? No problem. You can create a new account in just a few steps. Once you're in, organization is key. Start by creating top-level folders like work, personal, or school. Inside, add subfolders for projects such as marketing, budgeting, or assignments. You can view your files in list view for detail or grid view if you prefer a visual layout. Uploading files and creating Google files. To upload files, click the plus new button, then choose upload file or upload folder. You can upload one file or multiple at once. Want to create documents directly in Drive? From the plus new menu, you can make Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and more. Simply name your file and drag it into the appropriate folder. Editing PDFs and file actions. Google Drive also allows you to work with PDFs. Open a PDF, then select Open with Google Docs to convert it into an editable document. All changes are saved automatically. Other useful file actions include share, download, rename, delete, and viewing file details like size and last modified date from the three-dot menu. Sharing and collaboration. Sharing is easy. Enter a collaborator's email. Choose viewer, commenter, or editor, and optionally send a message. You can also copy a shareable link and decide if anyone with the link can access it or only invited users. Ownership of files can even be transferred to another collaborator if needed. Finally, check your storage at the bottom left of Drive. It shows how much space you've used out of your 15 gigabytes. If you need more, click Get More Storage to upgrade to higher plans. And that's it. Now you know how to organize, upload, create, edit, and share files in Google Drive like a pro. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.